Hello beautiful, it is Tash. Today I'm doing a makeup organization video. If you like these types of videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload and you get to see more videos like this. I think I'm going to do this video in two parts. You still might want to get a drink or a snack just to keep you occupied while you watch. I know I like to do that when I'm watching makeup organization type videos. I don't know, it's just something that I like to do. I'm filming this because I thought it might help some of you guys if you're trying to organize your collection. I have got the Alex 5 drawers. I have got like dividers and stuff in them. All the organization and all that sort of stuff will all be linked down below, so if you want to get your hands on it you can. So this is my top drawer. It is a bit of a mess. Yeah, so this is like my face drawer. I've just got it all mismatched and whatever together. So what I want to do is I want to take everything out, clean the drawer out, and then put everything back in the right place. Got the Smashbox primer. I'm just going to put that in at the back there. I think I'm going to do my primers at the back. Oh, maybe do my primers at the front because that's the first thing I need. Yes, I'll do my primers at, can you just say that? Primers at the front. Look how cute this little baby is. This hydrating eye cream from Mecca Cosmetica is super nice. It's just like a roller gel. Oh, it just feels so cooling. It's so good. And I'll do foundations. Never actually used this broom one. It's actually Zara's when she gave it to me. I don't know if I ever will. I'm just a bit weird with like that sort of stuff because I don't know how long she'd had it before she gave it to me. I might actually just get rid of these powders, I think. Oh, another foundation. Drawer is now done and dusted. Drawer number 2. This is my skincare. Actually, do you know what? I might bring that down here and that too. Because these are two like skincare type products. However, this is more kind of like a skincare overflow. I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna put this back. My skincare overflow, that is. Okay. So. I love the Body Shop for bath products. This Virgin Mojito, oh, it smells so good. Oh, I love it. It smells so good. Like you want to drink it, but obviously don't. Do you guys see this? This is like actually disgusting. trying to figure out how I want to do this because I have my palettes at the back, but I never use them because they're so hard to get out. So what I'm thinking is that if I have my palettes at the front, then I will use them because I'll be able to see them and get to them super easy. Because if they're at the back, they're almost impossible to get out of there, whereas the smaller ones should be easier to get out. I'm hoping, and if I put all my favorites at the back, then I have to work really hard to get to them. You know what I mean? I'm gonna move my living room to the front. I haven't been using it because something has happened to the packaging on mine and it actually makes me really sad. I don't know why. I think it might be the heat has gotten to it. Like, do you see this, guys? Like, do you see that? Like, that's gross. The product inside is fine. This is now all organised. I don't know how much of you saw of that, if you saw any of that, but it is organised now. Hey. I'm literally gonna just pick these up. These drawers aren't too bad, to be honest. My faves drawers, they usually get looked after pretty well. Oh god, this is so hard to get out now. Oh, I regret. hope you beauties enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye.